Hey guys.
Hello.
This is Darth Vader. Yeah.
The three of us, are going to play War. So it's a card game. We are playing with our Paw Patrol deck, which is
once again
it's like 2 decks put together. And we're going to take out some of these because we found when Sam and I played it was just way too many cards. Okay, there we go. Slide those aside. Took out most of the aces. We're going to divide the deck equally, and then we all lay down cards at the same time. The person who has the highest card gets to keep all 3. The game ends when 2 people run out of cards. So, okay, equal. So don't look at it. Keep it. The idea is to make the game go like really fast. So,
especially with this many cards.
It took us like an hour to play the game right before.
And you'll see it.
Pretty
don't know if you'll see this video first or last.
We're going to have to edit the other one down because it was way too long.
Yeah, we hope this video doesn't be really long because my time my day just poop.
What I say.
We agreed no talking about peeing or pooping during this video.
Really?
It's going to be hard to get through, like a few minutes without talking about either one, but we need to try.
Really?
Bob, stop biting little baby Gray's head off.
Hey, Iris, here's your cards.
Medic.
Here's my cards. Okay. Ready?
Don't look at them.
Okay.
We lay one down. We all 3 lay one down. Whoever has the highest gets to keep all of them. Stop. We haven't even started playing and you 2 are already picking at each other. Ready? Go. Okay, you're not going to be able to do that with the cat.
Iris got a jack.
Just lay the cards right here. Pull it up.
Iris got a jack.
Alright, Iris. Iris. Mommy.
Hey, I got a king.
Oh, sorry about that. Oh, that king was mine.
Wait.
Oh, that's me.
Dang it. It's going to be so hard to do. I declare war.
Everybody needs to remember what number. Oh my gosh, we all 3 got 2s. Okay, now Iris, pick one up with us. Ready? You go. I declare war.
I got a 4.
I got a 6. You and Iris both got 4s. Alright, so then I get all these cards. You have to turn your card over when you lay down. 4. 6.
Dang.
Yes!
This is going to be fast.
4.
9.
You already laid your 9 down. 9. Cute queen. That's mine.
But I got the big number.
Yeah, but I got a queen, and that's
bigger than the
higher. Okay, Sam, you already laid yours down. Yours was a 2. Uh-oh.
2 kings.
Me and Iris, we get to do it together. Me and you get to do it together.
Okay. I
declare war. Oh, Iris got it.
Yeah! I'm getting them.
I gotta stop and...
I got one more card left.
I gotta reload.
Go, Sammy.
Go, Iris. Go, Iris.
Go, Mommy.
No, Mommy. No, Mommy.
No, Mommy. No,
Hey,
Sammy.
that's not
No,
fair.
Mommy.
Yes, it is.
Alright, here we go.
Sammy.
Ready? Sam, was that yours?
I get it.
Okay, ready? Go. Sam, why do you keep laying down more than one? Okay, you have to turn your card over when you lay it down so that we see what it is. Ooh, Iris is winning.
I got 9.
I got 6. She got a joker. Or a jack, actually.
A Jake.
I don't win.
Blake.
Mine's 7. Hers is 3. Yours
Mine's
is
a
a
king.
2.
And
7, 6. Sam got it. 3, 2, 2.
Queen. King.
8.
Dang.
Irises.
9.
King. 9. Irises.
9. 6.
That's a 6. 10. Joker.
2.
7. 2.
We're all getting 2.
6.
5, 4, 5, 6. Come
7, Jack,
on.
8.
I'm actually
2.
winning.
Jack, Queen. Iris got that one. Ooh, Iris is moving fast. Look at that. Wait, no, we can't move that fast.
Not that fast.
Sam and I have to do war.
I
declare
declare war.
Alright.
Come on.
Alright, come on. I got a queen.
Jackson. Everybody dance now. Michael Jackson.
That's not Michael Jackson, but nice try.
We need to make up the kings like into Donald Trump and things.
Okay. Are you back on talking about Donald Trump again?
Sorry, everyone.
Come on, Iris. Let's beat him.
I
want to do it.
declare war.
That's yours.
I want to do the war.
I know, you can do it when we lay down the same card. That's how you do it when it's the same one. 6. Jack.
Dang.
4.
Can you do that?
Not yet. Here,
Queen.
I gotta put her cards together. Iris is winning.
Oh, jeez. Look
Go
at me.
away. Go away.
Iris is
Funny,
on
Iris
it.
wins like every time we play a game. The first time, Iris will win it.
And whenever we play the second time, she loses.
Oh, not always.
Not
it's
always.
just Iris says. Iris knows more of what's going on than we give her credit for.
Their faded Earth partying.
All right, come on.
I put down a queen.
Me too. Okay, Sam, come on.
I declare war.
Joker.
Like your beef.
Put it on.
Okay. 8,
8.
2,
Two.
6. Sam's. 7.
Joker.
Sam's. Iris's.
Kitten, you look at all these cards.
2, 4.
He wants me to do this one. Okay.
That's yours, Sam. That's yours.
Now which one? Which one? Okay.
Okay,
Oh,
let me do
the
this.
kids, they can't see that.
Yeah.
He's cheating. Lily Yoda is helping him play.
This one. Okay.
Okay, you and me do it at the same time.
Okay, Iris wants to. Okay. Oh. Ready?
No. Wait.
Iris wants to do war. Ready, Iris? I declare war.
Who won?
Oh, Mommy got it.
I got 2.
I got an ace.
Stop biting me, little
Okay,
guy.
ready?
Meow.
Sam?
Yeah. Which one? He turned the 8 instead of the 4.
You really did.
Watch. Which one, little Yoda? 8? That's the highest one, though.
Okay.
He's a lifesaver.
Lay one
everyone.
down. Whoa, Darth Vader's
He
not happy.
prays.
Come on. He prays first.
All right, which one? Not the 4. Oh, never mind. Me and Iris do I declare war. Because we both got 4s.
Okay, Iris, you and Sammy both lay down your cards.
Which one? Okay.
I declare
war.
Iris.
What?
Didn't you put down the king?
I put down the king.
Oh, sorry.
I put down the key.
I
No,
thought
I
you
did.
did. Sorry.
Eh.
Okay, ready?
Other Yoda's ready. Which one?
Okay, come on.
Which one?
Which one?
Show me which
Which one? Which one?
Sam, you got your hand right around his neck.
7. Okay.
4.
Okay, Iris is crying because she's out of the game.
Now little Yoda's barking at her.
Okay, ready? This is the lightning round. Ready? Go. I declare war. Alright. I declare war.
Thank you.
I declare war. You're winning all these.
Yay! It's gonna be forever, or it's gonna go down in flames.
So beautiful. I declare
four. I declare four.
Oh my gosh, this is like the other is gonna go on forever. I declare war.
Well, dang.
Don't cry for me, little bitty.
Poor little bitty.
Ready? I declare war. Sam, I think this game may never end. You want to just call it a day?
No. I declare war. Come on! Just let me lose! Come on! Hey, just take these.
Oh, thanks. Throw me a bone.
I declare war.
Hey.
Okay, give me my cards back.
No.
I declare war. Come on! Let me lose, meaty.
Hey, baby. Still upset? Really? Are you crying over war? Oh, she's mad now.
Oh, jeez.
But I love you. But I love you. I love you.
Oh, jeez, you're sitting on my...
What? I know, it hurt. It's going right up my leg. Oh, I don't want to look at your butt. I don't want to look at your butt. Don't you moon me, Iris. Iris Francesca. You quit. I'm not looking at your butt. Oh, Lord.
Editing time.